Go is a popular choice for high-performance server-side applications. This language used by popular applications such as Uber, Badu, Docker, Dropbox, etc. It was developed in 2009 at Google but launched in 2012 as an open-source programming language. The Go code is compiled to machine code, makes it faster than interpreted languages. It is statically typed language, which means variable type are known at compile time. In most of these languages, the programmer must indicate types. In other cases, type inference allows the programmer not to indicate their variable type. It is designed to be simple, efficient, and easy to learn, making it a popular choice for building web applications and command line tools. Go is great for handling many tasks at once, thanks to Go routines and channels. This makes it perfect for building fast and scalable network services and solving tough problems. Another important feature of Go is garbage collection. Go takes care of memory for you, so you don't have to worry about managing it manually. This helps prevent memory-related bugs and makes coding easier.